Start by lifting the shingle above the damaged one and gently expose the nail heads so you can remove them without tearing adjacent material. When removing nails from a damaged roof shingle, work deliberately and use the right tools to protect surrounding shingles and the roof deck. Slide a thin pry bar or flat bar under the edge of the shingle above the damaged one and pry up just enough to free the nail heads. Do not lever hard because excessive force rips the shingle below. If the nail head is painted or buried, score the shingle adhesive with a utility knife to loosen the seal before prying. Once the nail head is exposed, use a cat's paw or nail puller placed close to the roof deck to minimize lifting area and pull straight up while supporting the surrounding shingle with your other hand. If the nail bends, stop, cut the shaft with bolt cutters or a reciprocating saw blade placed between the shingle and the deck, and then remove the remaining shaft to avoid prying through the deck. After nail removal, press the neighboring shingles back into position and apply a small dab of compatible roof cement under the lifted edge to reseal any loosened adhesive. This prevents wind lift and moisture infiltration. Common problems include tearing adjacent shingles when too much leverage is applied, which you prevent by lifting only a small section and supporting the shingle edge with your free hand. Another issue is snapping the nail flush with the deck, leaving a stub that is hard to extract. If that happens, cut the stub and remove the remainder from above with a punch or drill bit, then patch the hole to prevent leaks. A third concern is damaging the roof deck while prying. Avoid levering directly on the deck by using a thin metal plate or a wide pry bar to spread force and stop as soon as the nail gives. Then inspect the deck and replace any compromised sheathing before installing a new shingle. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we connect homeowners with local contractors and offer a discussion community for project advice and experience sharing. Our site helps homeowners find potential contractors and helps contractors get leads by listing their services and participating in community discussions.